So another question I get asked a lot is, how do I know that a retreat is for me? How do I know that I should go on one of these retreats? So I thought I'd just tell you a little bit about the people that come on the retreats. People that are transitioning from one type of life to another. So there are people that are maybe for the first time experiencing not having any children at home, or relationships that have ended. Long relationships that have ended, and people are sort of, finding their direction. It can be people who are about to embark on another part of their journey in terms of their employment, so people that are about to make a move and they want to create something new. And then most people are people that that are really interested in spending some time on their creativity. They want to take some time out. So, which is where it comes from, is that I did for myself. It's take some time out so that I can complete something, or at least get started on something that can then be sustained over time. That's the whole point of the retreat. So take a little bit chunk at a time and go, right, all I'm going to do during this time is just concentrate on creativity and the things that are inspiring me right now, and what I would love to be inspired by, or what I have been and I haven't for a while, or something like that. And then, over 4 days, and this is where this is what I do, is then work with the collective energy and the collective intelligences, and we use our bodies and we move, and we use lots of creative and arts-based approaches, mainly from the world of theatre, which is what my background is. And we explore where the blocks are, and also what are the voices, what are we telling ourselves about our creativity. Oh, I wish I was doing that. And if you're still thinking about it after 10 years, 5 years, whatever, then it's worth pursuing it. That's what I think. If you're still thinking about writing that, or if you're still thinking about making that, or if you're still thinking about starting that business, or whatever it is that you want to create, whatever new thing you want to add to this world, it's worth pursuing it. What else are you going to do? Not everybody has that kind of core, but if you do have it, I think it's important to pay attention and to give it some time. So, and I believe that so strongly, that this is what I want. This is what I'm here to do. So, yeah, and that's what we do at the retreats.